Welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Let's talk about brows, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about these brows today. Okay, y'all, I can't sing. However, I can do a little bit of a makeup, okay? So, what I want to do is talk to you ladies and gentlemen, whoever is watching, about brows. How I accomplished this light look today for my brows. It's nothing too heavy. It's something that you can wear and accomplish every day for your everyday work look or whatever you may want to do it for. This is not something that I would necessarily put on to go out at night. This is a light day look for me, but hey, do as you may. You may want to do it at night. You may want to do it in the day. It's your world, squirrel. Do you. That's all I'm saying. Be you, do you, have fun with it. Follow this tutorial if you feel, because by all means, I don't go by anybody's rules. Trust me. So this is what I do to accomplish this look.
And here we have the new NYX Dip, Shape, and Go. What I'm showing you here is that it comes with a spoolie, an angled brush, and the dip brow gel all in one. Quick on the go product, ladies and gents. I use the spoolie to align my hairs and make sure they're all even and angled. And then I take the angled brush, and what I'm doing here is outlining my brow to the definition, the thickness, and the shape that I actually prefer it to be. Some may prefer it a little bit thinner than what I wear mine. Some may prefer it a little thicker. Do you, sweetheart, do you. This color that I chose was Espresso. It's a little light, but it'll work. So I'm getting everything all lined up. Once I do get everything all lined up, I am going to conceal my under eye with my personal angled brush from Ulta and my Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS in the color Amande. I'm going to take that, and this is what I'm going to become the precision perfectionist with. I make sure that my underbrow line is defined as best as I can. Now, I want you to remember something. Your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Okay? So, we do the best we can with what we have and trying to make them as angled as possible. As you can see, my holder brush. We're trying to get them there. That is my my Morphe M173 brush. I use that to just pat the product down up under my eyes. It's kind of like a smaller concealer brush. Take some of that product off. I'm being goofy. Here I'm taking off that product, that NARS Creamy Radiant Amande color off of the brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that same angled brush, and I'm going to apply the foundation Polynesian Dark 1, the Velvet Matte by NARS, on the top of my brow. And this is why I say this is not a nighttime look for me, because I'm using a foundation to conceal the top portion of my eyes so that my eyebrow is not as prominent or such a dramatic look when you first look at me from afar. As far as doing makeup, I feel that it's not so outstanding, and that's just my opinion. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to continue to work this brow, because it was giving me not life today. It just did not want to cooperate. It wanted to do its own thing. When I got the bottom right, top didn't want to be right. I got the top right, bottom didn't want to be right. Okay. And what you just saw me use there was my regular foundation brush to put the foundation on that I had put on, the NARS foundation that I had put up top. I just used that to blend that in. And then I'm going back in with some of the product from the Dip Brow and Go, making sure my sisters are aligned because they're not twins, making sure everything is symmetrical, making sure I'm looking pretty much okay when you see me from afar. You can say, hey, her eyebrows appear to be twins. Okay? Okay. Take some time. I'm telling you, this takes time. Brows are the most important part of makeup. Now, what I just held up there was the new NYX Control Freak. All of my Anastasia babes, you know you love the brow gel, my Anastasia brow gel ladies. This is the NYX version of that. And so I'm going to apply that and hope my brows stay in place all day. I like. This is the final look for today. What do you guys think? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Toodles.